I'm going to show you Lahore Zoo. First of all, we have to buy ticket. As we enter Lahore Zoo, there is a pond on the left side. Pelicans and pond create amazing natural scenes. In that pond, there are so many greater flamingos, charming swans, and a lively group of pelicans. Their tall legs, curved beaks, and unique feathers make them quite a sight to see. Pelicans, enjoying the sun, look calm. Pelicans are large water birds. They're known for their long beaks and big pouches, which they use to catch fish and drain out water before eating. On a peaceful pond, ducks feed at the water's edge. Ducks and geese enjoy the sun and appear relaxed. Alexandrine parrots are known for their long tails. In addition to their red shoulder patches and red neck, ring-in males. Alexandrine parrot, native to Asia, is smart and beautiful. Cockatoos are also in the zoo's bird cages. African gray parrots make the zoo's atmosphere relaxing with their soothing sounds. African gray parrots, with their big size and red tails, are a stunning sight at the zoo. Blue and golden macaws are featured in the zoo's photography area, where photographers charge for taking photos with these stunning parrots and eagles. Common budgie, a small parrot from Australia, is known for its playful nature, make it a popular pet. Francolins are recognized for their colorful feathers and noisy calls. Francolins, colorful ground birds found in Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Ring-necked pheasants, colorful game birds, known for striking plumage and hunting appeal. Vulturine guineafowl is a large bird, identified by its unmistakable bare-skinned, blue-gray head and neck. They can be a bit aggressive. Green pheasant, also known as the Japanese green pheasant. The golden pheasant from China is famous for its dazzling red and gold feathers, particularly in males. The zoo's bird area, full of trees, offers a refreshing and peaceful atmosphere with cool, fresh air. There are various types of peacocks in various colors and patterns. White peacocks, pure white feathers, striking blue, eye spots, found worldwide. Peacock chicks are cute and fluffy, resembling adults as they grow. Turkeys have a unique appearance with featherless heads and make a clear gobbling sound. Turkeys have long red snoods on their beaks. Pheasants, colorful, prized birds found worldwide. Yellow golden pheasants are celebrated for their stunning golden yellow appearance. Silver pheasants are beautiful with silver gray feathers and have a melodious call. Silver pheasants are known for their elegant long tails, adding to their beauty. Lahore Zoo has bird cages under trees, where many birds create different sounds. At Lahore Zoo, you will see emu Australian birds, known for their impressive looks. Emu can run fast and eat plants, seeds, fruits, and insects. Ostrich is the largest bird globally, known for its long neck, powerful legs, and inability to fly. Ostriches seem to dance as they walk around. In master cage there are a variety of birds, including demoiselle cranes and many others. Guinea pigs are sometimes called American chooha due to their small size, but they are not popular as pets. Guinea pigs eat fresh vegetables. Java sparrows, small birds also seen in that cage. Thanks for watching.